This is the sailboat regatta at Newport Beach in the harbor, and they're having all the sailboats take off today. Look, Ryan, that view, that was Fort Adams, and all the sailboats are out on the water now. And we're all on this little shuttle boat. Today is July 12th. 2014, and we're in Rhode Island, and we're staying at a Josie's B&B, having a wonderful time. Such a gorgeous day. Here are the sailboats getting ready for the regatta, and we've been on the shuttle boat for close to an hour, going all around the harbor, learning about the sights and the history of Rhode Island and the yachts. Such a fantastic day. And we're here with Celeste, Uncle Gregory and Aunt Celeste, and Daddy, and Ryan and Mommy, and Grandpa Paul. Smile, Grandpa.
I like some.
And we're on this little shuttle boat in the whole harbor.
Yes, we are. We're on a shuttle boat.
Ryan, talk for the camera. You're enjoying this? You like the shuttle boat? Ryan is 3 years old and 5 months. And this is the first time he's out on a shuttle boat in Rhode Island. He's loving it. And that's our captain, teaching us all about the sights and sounds of Rhode Island and this harbor. Such a magnificent day. There's no humidity at all. And on this shuttle boat we can get on and off the entire day. The price of $10 per person. This is a fantastic buy in this very touristy town. After this we're going to go kite flying. Oh, Goat Island.
Causeway at the northern end that attaches it to downtown Newport. Southern half of the island is all private homes and condominiums. We're going to stop in the middle where there's a marina and a pub-style restaurant. And the tall building at the northern end is the Hyatt Hotel. The island up through World War II was occupied by the U.S. Navy. And some of the less attractive buildings you see here are old Navy buildings that converted to housing rather than torn down like the should have been. And what's interesting about the Hyatt Hotel, that was a Navy building, and that's where they made the torpedoes for the PT boats.
money for a boat.